Hi folks, Sam here with Appliance Trim Kits, and today I want to tell you a little bit about how the idea came to be, what it is, and who it's for. So my wife and I were embarking on a kitchen remodel, and we went to the appliance store. It was time to shop for appliances, and we talked to the salesperson, and he told us about this wall of refrigerators called built-in refrigerators, which I was not aware of at the time. But once we saw the price tag of $7,000, $8,000, we went right back to the other refrigerators. But my wife liked the look of those, and being a tinkerer and inventor, I knew there was a way that I could make a regular refrigerator look like one of those built-in refrigerators. So I went home, got to work, and the appliance trim kit came to life. So the way it works is you place an order, you send us information about the refrigerator that you purchased. We send you information for your cabinet builder, or if you're building the cabinets, to you, so that you can make the cabinets, or your cabinet builder can make the cabinets so that the side pieces fit properly, and we have enough room for this top piece, and your refrigerator slides in nicely and has the right gaps on the right, left, and top. So you can see this is a KitchenAid regular normal counter depth refrigerator that's made to look built in with this trim kit. Installation takes about 10 minutes. There's only 3 tools required. You can do it, your trim carpenter can do it, cabinet builder can do it. Again, we send an installation video and installation instructions via email as soon as you make the purchase, to make it super simple for you. So yeah, if you have any questions at all, please reach out to support@appliancetrimkits.com, and would love to hear from you. Thanks.